Hello friends, this is Ashwini and I'm here with my 12th video. In my previous video, I had taught you how to write katakana na line, ha line and ma line. Going ahead, let's learn the few more katakana alphabets. Here today we have the ya line, ya, you and yo. Let's see how to write them. Ya. It has two strokes. The first stroke goes like this and the second stroke from top to bottom. You can observe here that there should be a sharp corner here, sharp bend. This alphabet is similar to hiragana ya, but this corner here in katakana is sharp, but in hiragana it has a smooth curve. And this one top line is missing in katakana. Ya. You. It has two strokes. The first one is like this and the second horizontal line. You. Yo. There are three strokes in this. The first stroke, second stroke and the third stroke. You can remember it as the mirror image of English alphabet E. Yo. The next line is the Ra line. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re and Ro. Now let's see how to write them. Ra, the first horizontal line and the second one like this. Here, this first stroke should be a little smaller than this second stroke, this horizontal line. Ra. Ri, the first stroke and the second stroke. You can observe here that this katakana ri is similar to the hiragana ri, except here that in hiragana we have to take a curve here, but in katakana it's just a straight line. Ri. Ru. It has two strokes, the first stroke and the second stroke. Ru. Re. It has only one stroke, like this. Re. Ro. It has three strokes, the first vertical line, the second stroke and the third horizontal line from left to right. This row is similar to the square. Remember it as row. The last few alphabets in katakana are va, o and Let's see how to write them. Va, the first stroke and the second stroke. Va. O, the first stroke, the second stroke and the third stroke. O. The first stroke and the second stroke from bottom to top. Remember to follow the same stroke order. The first stroke and the second stroke from bottom to top. Let's look at some words. Lemon. It's pronounced as Ramon. Ramon. Melon. Meron. Meron. Iron. 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 Air conditioner. Aircon. Aircon. Toilet. Toire. Toire. Camera. 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 Restaurant. 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 Yakult. Yakurto. Yakurto. Class. Kurasu. Kurasu. Cola. Koara. Koara. microphone, maiku, maiku, milk, miruku, miruku. Friends, you have now learned all the katakana basic alphabets. Keep practicing them. I'll come with few more additional sounds in katakana in my next videos. Thank you for watching.